This is Ryan Johnson with MoneyBass.com. Just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to connect the Mercury VesselView to your Mercury ProXS 4-stroke 250. And basically what this does is just allows you to see the readouts from your computer on your phone. So things such as your fuel, your RPMs, your hours on the computer, maintenance history, and maintenance time frame of when things need to be checked out, things like that. So it's pretty simple hookup, but let's go ahead and get into it. Let's take a look and see what we have inside. All right, VesselView mobile quick start instructions. And we have some tie straps and a few screws in here to mount it. And right here is the actual component itself. All right, so this end right here will connect directly to the motor. Then the terminator cap will connect directly onto this, and then you'll just keep this part in storage somewhere because you may need it later if you ever decide to take this off. So let's go ahead and pop this cowling off and see how to connect this, and then we'll look into how to mount it. That's very important because you don't want this moving around and under the cowling and things like that. All right, so let's go ahead and pop the cowling off and get going. All right, so basically to take the cowling off of here, you have that little indentation, kind of like a little button right here. Just press that in and that'll open up and give you access to the handle. All right, there you go. Now you get access to this handle. You have some instructions right here. So press that in, lift it up. All right, so once you get the cowling off, you just come back here to this back panel. All right, so this pretty much just snaps on and snaps off. So all you do is just take that, push it, go ahead and lift that out of the way. All right, and let me just set this over here. All right, so once you get that cover plate off, just wanted to show you a view of what this will look like. And that terminator plug is right here. So basically, I'm trying to do this with one hand, but you just press this in right here, and that will slide off. Oops. All right, so after you get that terminator cap off, you're going to need that to connect to this end right here. So you have a main cable. And if you look, you have one piece that kind of comes off to the side. So you're going to remove this cap off of this end. And this you're just going to keep someplace at a later time if you ever decide to take this off or whatever. But you just press that in. Again, trying to do this with one hand, which is not going to work. Let me just set this down real quick. But all I'm going to do is just take this off. Just press this and pull it off. All right, once you pull it off, that's what it will look like. And you take the terminator that came off of the boat and you put that in its place. So there you go. So you have that right there. Now with this other end, all you do is take this end and connect it directly onto the that connection. And once that's done, all you have to do from that point is just mount it. So I'm just going to take this and slide it on here. I'm going to set this down so I can use both hands to do that. But again, all I'm going to do is just slide that on there and I'll be right back. All right, there we go. So I have that slid in there. Have the terminator cap on that end. And the other piece that came off of here, I'm going to just put that in one of my storage units in here inside of the storage compartments inside of the garage, just in case I need to use it at a later time for something. But now all we have to do is go ahead and mount this. Now the mounting, there was a video that I watched and he had a real good place of where to connect this at so that it'll be in here pretty secure, won't bounce around or anything like that. And it also looks very good. I mean, it'll look professionally done whenever you're finished. I'll put a link to that video as well. And also, like I said, there's a video that goes in very good detail on all of the features, along with the things I mentioned. There's a lot more that VesselView can do. So I'll put a link to both of those guys' videos down in the description. So now let me just go ahead and get this bracket together, and I'm gonna run these cables, tie strap those so they'll be in place, and then I'll show you how I mount it. Be right back. Okay, now next step, I just kind of measured it out where I want this to be. Once I got everything installed in there, I'm gonna drill a quick hole in here, then go ahead and mount it, and I'll be right back. So now that I got the installation complete, go into Play Store. This is an Android, so I'm gonna download the VesselView app. All right, and there you go right there. You can see it'll have the Mercury symbol on it. All right, got to put in a little bit of information, email address, password. Let's go ahead and make a password. All right, so that's it. Really the main thing that I wanted to show you guys is how easy the installation was, and how to go ahead and get it connected, and where you can mount that at. So we're good to go. I'm gonna sit here and play around with this a little bit more, but make sure you like the video, you subscribe. All right, let me show you the finished product, how it looks once it's mounted. So this is the VesselView right there. Let me go ahead and take this cap off just to show you how it's done. Cap pulls right off. All right, as you can see, there's one screw right in there, and that's what's holding it in place. And down here, just have a few tie straps holding it down. So it's connected, comes down this way, and then loops back around that way. And the other piece with the new cap on it is right here, and got that tie strap down so it doesn't move around too much. But basically that's it. That's how you mount it. Hope this helps some of you guys out. Quick and simple. And cap just pops right back in there. It snaps in place, and there you go. And real quick, let me just show you what it looks like. All right, so there you go. That's what it looks like when it's turned on, and that's basically connecting to my phone now. App is already installed and good to go. All right, so that's it. Don't forget to like. If this has helped you out, please leave a comment below. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below also. But and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. All right, guys, appreciate you taking the time to view it. See you on the next one. All right, so this is what VesselView will look like once you get everything uploaded and put onto your phone. Mainly I wanted to use this so I could see my hours on the motor, but you can also go up here to the menu and go under maintenance, and it'll show you so my maintenance is due in 34 hours. Once you click on that, it'll give you a reading of basically engine hours and show you how many hours are left till other maintenance things are needed on here. But there's some other videos online. Just Google VesselView. There's some on there that go into real good detail, but I just wanted to give you just a quick overview of what I used it for. So right now I don't have the gas set up. So basically once you fill up the gas tank, you come in here and reset this. So I haven't used it for a while because it's showing that I've used 212 gallons of fuel. And that's probably because I haven't reset this for a few months. once you enter the amount of fuel that you've put into the gas tank, it'll keep track of it for you. So basically over time, if you continually do that, then it should give you an idea of how much fuel you're using per gallon or per outing, or you know, how long it takes for you to go through a full tank of gas. And it's pretty convenient to have it right here on my phone, because I have a phone holder right down here, so I can keep it down there and kind of keep track. So you can see miles per hour. If you go to that, it'll keep track of your RPMs, show your peak speed for the day. So I wasn't a speed demon today, just kind of took it easy because I was doing a lot of idling. As you can see, my average speed work for today was only 8.5 miles per hour. That's because I did a lot of scanning today. But all right, hope this helps you out, guys. See you on the next video.